Hello Sagittarius, welcome po sa inyong reading. So this is your August the 7th to August the 9th reading. So para po sa mga bago, don't forget to click the subscribe button, smash the like button, comment below kung kayo po ay nakaka-resonate and hit the notification bell. Kung gusto niyo pong sumali sa ating live sessions, dun po yan sa ating kabilang channel, that is Pabaylan TV. No? Yan po ang ating unang channel catered for our international audience. Pero kung hindi nyo po maabutan ang ating live sessions, pwede naman kayo magtanong dito sa comment section as long as the question po is answerable by yes or no. Na Sagittarius, ayan. I want you to know that this is a general reading. You may resonate with the entire reading or you may resonate with some bits and pieces of the reading. Take what's only yours. And kung hinahanap nyo po itong ating X-Files, itong segment natin, talking about exes, no? Reading about or readings about your exes, nilipat ko na po siya sa Facebook ha, para hindi po nag-aaway-away dito sa YouTube. So, at least, kapag finalo nyo ang Facebook, Pabaylan TV, alam nyo nasa safe yung environment. Dahil lahat po ay checking no about their exes. Ayan, so magsimula na tayo sa Sagittarius. Bakit parang habang nagta-travel itong taong ito, this could be you, this could be your person, no? You can switch the energies anyway. What I am reading is the dynamic. So parang meron ng separation, someone decided, to walk away, to move forward with their life. Pero what I am seeing in here is hati yung puso, no? Parang urong-sulong. Parang sinasabi nitong taong to, nakapagbitaw ako ng salita, pero parang hindi naman yun talaga yung gusto ng puso ko. Baka nasabi ko lang yun out of my heightened energy, sobrang galit ako, no? Or heightened emotion, sobrang galit ako, nasabi ko siya uncalled for. Pero yung kalahati ng puso ko, wanting to go back and apologize. Pero there's also a sense of pride na nasabi ko na, so might as well ipagpatuloy ko na lang din. So, minsan, naglalakad tayo, or naglalakad itong taong to, moving forward, and then, lumilingon, no? Bumalik na kaya ako? Minsan babalik naman, ayoko, pupunta. So parang hati nga ang decision making. One thing's for sure, there is, there's a lot of time na sabihin nating nami-miss pa rin natin yung tao. Na, with the 10 of Cups, the 9 of Cups, and the Sun. Actually, this is one of a promising relationship that you've been with, no? Dumating na yata tayo sa usapang building a family, sa usapang cohabitation, no? Or marriage, or at least nagkikita tayo sa iisang bahay, no? With the 10 of Cups in here, I also feels like yung iba sa inyo, this is the sincerest relationship. This is the relationship that both of you probably had na sobrang seryoso, no? At the back of your mind, you know for a fact na eto na yata yung taong para sa akin. Eto na yata yung taong sabihin nating panghabang buhay, no? Nakikita ko yung sarili ko sa taong ito na naglalakad sa dambana, no? Ang laki ng expectations. Ang taas ng expectations natin sa relationship. With the 7 of Cups and the 8 of Pentacles, pero feeling ko, ang daming nangyayari kasi. 7 of Cups also signifies there's a lot of things in this person's plate or your plate, no? Sabihin natin, hindi kayang mapagsabay-sabay. Responsibilities sa bahay, responsibilities sa family, responsibility ko sa sarili ko, responsibility ko sa trabaho ko, responsibility ko sa mga kaibigan ko, sa community ko. Parang things piled up. And ang masakit dito is parang laging na or yung career, no, laging na laging na isasantabi, no, itong relationship. Um, Siguro workaholic, no, itong taong nito. Siguro gusto talagang makamit muna ang mga pangarap, no. Um, Wala naman akong nakikitang third party na tao. We can call third party kasi nakukuha niya yung attention ng person mo, pero it's not a person, no? Sa trabaho, yun nga, um, ang hirap kalabanin ng isang, um, kumbaga, sino ba naman ako? Dumating ako sa buhay niya, siya fix na yun yung gusto niya mangyari sa buhay niya. So, yung parang sa'yo, nafe-feel mo na I'm only second best, no? Ayoko rin maging hadlang sa mga pangarap niya. At hindi ayoko rin naman maging hadlang siya sa pangarap ko na magkaroon ng sincere, no, na relationship. So might as well we part ways. Ayan. With the Page of Cups and the Three of Wands. Kasi you sacrificed a lot, no, in this connection as well. It may be literally money. It may be your time, energy, effort, sleepless nights. Pero parang feeling mo, I was hindi naman taken advantage, but more of set aside, no? I'll never gonna be the priority of my person, no? And it hurts kasi I gave everything, I gave my 100% to the connection. So I felt like I'm being breadcrumbs, no? Konti lang yung nakukuha ko. With the Six of Cups, the King of Cups, the Wheel of Fortune. Ang hirap kasi meron tayong mga ginagawa na nakasanayan na natin. Let's say, we wake up in the morning, we are texting the person, good morning, or we're updating the person, huy, kumain ka naman. Those little things na kahit na in separation, siya pa rin yung naiisip mo. Siya pa rin yung, kumbaga, laman ng puso mo. You still really care about this person. You still wanted to parang alagaan pa rin, no? You feel like dapat inaalagaan ko pa rin siya. Kamusta na kaya siya? Kumain na kaya siya, no? With the King of Wands and the Two of Swords. Two of Swords is clarified by the Knight of Wands and the Queen of Cups. What I am seeing in here is, sabihin nating honest naman si person. Pero I think that your person here is not going to stop you from your dreams, from pursuing your dreams. Hindi dahil this person doesn't care. If the person feels like you're gonna be happy, no, dun sa past na tinake mo, and they cannot give it to you, so might as well take the past. So it felt a little cold kung titignan mo, pero this is the best, sabihin natin, yun yung best thing na magagawa niya is kung hindi ko maibibigay yung happiness na hinahanap mo, baka mahanap mo nga siya sa iba. And I'm praying, that you are going to find the happiness that you're searching for very soon. But if you're gonna come back to me, I'm willing to embrace you once again. Pero if not, so parang Sinasabi niyo dito, I'm not going to chase. I'm saying this not because of pride. I'm saying this because I love you. Magkaiba yon. I wish we could be together forever and I'm yours forever and ever. So, it felt like there is really an oath between you and them. Parang eto na nga yung sinasabi natin na, so kung tayo-tayo talaga, di ba? Kung talagang para tayo sa isa't isa, who knows na magmi-meet din ang ating path, no? Someday soon. So, tingnan natin dito ang zodiac sign, no, ni person. This could be their sun sign or a placement in their chart. So, I'm seeing Taurus, Leo, Scorpio, Cancer. Actually, mas dominant dito ang water placements, no? Actually, puro water placements ngayon nandito. Except for Leo, no? And Taurus, Sagittarius. So this is your reading. Oh, baka kapwa Sagittarius, no? This is your reading, Sagittarius. Para po sa mga bago, don't forget to click the subscribe button, smash the like button, comment below kung kayo nakaka-resonate, and hit the notification bell para po ma-notify kayo every time na tayo nagre-release po ng bagong video, no? And Sagis, pwede naman po kayong magtanong, no, dito sa comment section as long as the question is answerable by yes or no kung hindi nyo po maabutan ang live session sa Babaylan TV. Yan. Pero kilala nyo yung sarili niya, Sagis, no? If masasatisfy kayo sa yes or no na sagot. Kung hindi naman, don't worry. There is a link in the description box. Click the link. You're gonna be routed to my website. Sa pinakababa po, nandun po yung question form. Sa question form, pinakababa nandun din po yung information, how much per question, yung QR code, the name, the number for your reference. I also created a discounted price of 4 questions plus 1, so take advantage of it. If you want to book a private reading, nasa mga QR codes po, may mga label naman na nandoon. So, if you want to book a private reading, nandun din po siya sa ating description box. Tuloy pa rin po ang ating manhunt, no? As you can see, nasa description box pa rin naman po itong mga fake accounts. So, report it. Once you report it, screenshot and send it to the designated email, no? So, para po manalo kayo ng free personal reading. And when I say it's free, that's actually free of charge, no strings attached. If you still care about your exes, tulad ng sinabi ko, nasa Facebook po, Babaylan TV, para hindi po dito nag-aaway-away, no? At least safe po yung space doon, kasi once na nag-follow kayo doon, at least alam ninyo, no, na lahat na nag-follow doon still care about their exes. So, wala po mga away sa inyo. So, this is your reading, Sagis. Love and light to you. Namaste. See you po sa susunod na reading. Goodbye.